you're gonna beat me up.
What? That's some smooth English. I never heard a criminal speak so smooth. Wait, did you school in America?
Yeah.
You schooled in America? What's up, my G?
You want to say school for America too? You dey laugh my secretary wey school for Abia. Don't talk and finish.
Yeah,
I said our patron there background.
Wait,
What am I for? Our patron there background is say your G.
no, sorry, please, sir.
Ah!
Please.
Up thieves,
Thieves.
thieves. Up thieves,
Thieves.
Up thieves, thieves. Come close.
Go.
I want to tell you something. You don't die.
Go
Please,
now.
I actually cannot go close. I'm sorry. This one, I don't think go Yes, but let him. I said let him. He will say it then. He will not face them.
My brother, it was good here.
God, you don't die.
I should come closer.
Go. Come close.
Yes.
Wait, please wait.
Yes. Total amputation.
Instead of me to come closer, I wanna die. I wanna die.
Hey. Up thieves,
Thieves.
Up thieves,
Thieves.
Up thieves,
Thieves.
So what's your update?
Total amputation.
Baba, the guy don't refuse. Now to go arrange way to bury him.
Ampu.
Patron, see the
But listen to me. I got a friend who's like a wimp and he needs his balls back.
For real?
Yeah, so we're gonna have the balls.
And you talk as if we go sell them.
You gotta have big balls. You have big balls?
Moment, arrange our granuts now. Then call the buyer, we will sell this man. You know they take our time.
And I also need to arrange how we put this guy for ground at all.
And after everybody cuts finish, that's small. I got you.
Please don't go. Wait, come. Where are you going? Excuse me.
Up thieves.
Thieves.
Up thieves.
Thieves.
Point gone, yes.
That's
That's the picture. Yeah, that's it.
Tell me.